Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 easy last minute decor DIYs for your Halloween party this year using your Cricut, so if you need some inspiration for your party, just keep on watching. So I hand drew all of my shapes, which is a spider web, bats, a witch hat, a ghost, and a pumpkin, but you can find these for free on the internet or you can buy them off of Etsy. I'm sure lots of sellers have them, but I just transferred them from Procreate over to Design Space on my iPad, and then I had to resize them. I'm going to be using these spider webs to make little table liners to put under the snack bowls and stuff like that on our table for our party, so I made 2 different sizes, and then I went in and sized my bats. I thought that doing 3 different sizes for the bats would be a good variety, so this is really up to you. My biggest bat was about 5 inches wingspan and then 2 inches tall, and then my smallest was like 1 inch wide and then like a 1/4 inch tall, but you can do whatever you'd like. For my garland, I was using 8.5 by 11 paper, so I had to resize them until they all fit perfectly on that size paper without there only being like 1 or 2 per sheet, and that ended up being about 2 to 3 inches tall and 2 to 3 inches wide. And then of course set your colors because then they will cut on the right mat. I am using my green mat, but if you're using pretty thin paper, use the blue mat. It'll just be easier to pull it up after without ripping it. And then I am going to send them all through my Cricut, and then it's time to weed. This took a little bit of time, but honestly it wasn't too bad because of how big my designs were, and I didn't do any intricate little cuts. The last step is to attach our shapes to this black twine, and then our garland is complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it gives you inspiration if you guys just have some colored paper laying around. These are super easy DIYs and they will definitely spruce up your guys' Halloween parties. So if you enjoyed, please like this video, and I will see you guys next week.